My name is Chris Norris with Seeing Sounds. We build vehicles from the ground up, from custom on up. This is a 1969 F1. As you can see, it's got a big block. It's a 429. Looking mighty sexy. Our good friends from Flowmaster took very good care of us with the mufflers. As you can see, we have custom made headers. Jet hot coated them, ceramic coating. Into some nice looking NASCAR style exhaust. So really this video here is for Ronnie at Flowmaster. We're going to go ahead and fire this bad boy up for him. He doesn't get to hear this too often when something's in the process of being built. So we're going to walk back here. We're going to turn the battery on and the fuel pump. We're going to go ahead and kick it back once. Put a little fuel in it. I know people like to make jokes about Fords. Hit the starter. We're going to resume this video here. Battery just came disconnected, so we're going to fire it back up here. The vibration did it to me last time. You think I would have learned, but it happens all so often. So we'll do it again.